Hello everybody, my name is Sam, aka Samster, and today is the grand opening of my shed slash workshop. As you can see, we've got all kinds of parts storage up on these two shelves. We've got a nice desk for my computer and to lean bikes up against. Nice carpet, nice stool. The carpet's just for the work area. So you can see we have a workbench. All of the needed oils and stuff and lubricants are up there. All my tools are down here. I've got a whole tool drawer in here that I have to still sort. I've got big parts, more heavy duty stuff on this shelf. There's the Indian hanging up as like a trophy. And this is the bike storage area where all the bikes will be parked and easily got to. And then I have all this room for stuff on the walls and stuff. And I've got all this room just to mess around with. We have electricity going to multiple receptacles. Got a fuse box down there. And we have lighting, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, I'm really liking this place. This will be a nice workshop.